If you've ever wondered how to redeem a code in Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to redeem your Epic Games code the easy way, whether you're using the website or the Epic Games launcher. This is perfect if you've got a game code, gift code, or promotional code and you want to claim it fast without getting stuck. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games website in your browser or launch the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Both methods will take you to the same account area, so you can use whichever one is easier for you. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Epic Games account. Make sure you're signing into the correct account because any code you redeem will be tied to that account. After you're signed in, look for your profile icon. On the website, this is usually near the top right corner. In the launcher, it may appear in the account or profile area as well. Click on your profile icon to open the account menu. From there, you should see an option that says Redeem Code. This is the option you want, so go ahead and select it. Now you'll be taken to the redeem page. Here, you'll see a box where you can enter your code. Carefully type or paste the code exactly as it appears. Double check for any extra spaces, missing characters, or typos, because even one small mistake can stop the code from working good. If you copied the code from an email or a card, take a second to make sure it's complete and accurate before moving on. Once the code is entered, click Redeem. Epic Games will then process the code and check what it unlocks. If the code is valid, you'll see confirmation that the item has been redeemed successfully. Depending on the code, you may receive a game, in-game content, a gift, or other account-related content. After that, you can head back to your library or account to see the newly redeemed item. If the code doesn't work, don't panic. The first thing to check is whether the code was entered correctly. Also, make sure the code hasn't already been used, expired, or limited to a different region or platform. Some codes only work in specific countries or for certain accounts, so if you run into an issue, it may be related to the code itself rather than the website. And that's it. You've now learned how to redeem a code in Epic Games step by step using the website or launcher. It only takes a minute once you know where to go. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.